Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video I want to show you guys how I place an elastic band in my lace frontal wigs, just because I think it's a nice thing to know how to do, because when you have a lace frontal wig, either you receive it from the supplier and the elastic band is too tight, or it's too loose, and it's not really the supplier's fault. It's just kind of personal preference. Some people prefer the wigs to be tight, some people prefer it to be a bit looser. I know I like mine to be a bit loose, but at the same time I wanted to hold my wig in place, just because when it's too tight it gives me a headache and I don't like that. But I also do receive quite a lot of wigs from people who complain, oh, my supplier sent me the wig and it was too tight or it was too loose. And what I say to that is that it's personal preference. The supplier will send you the wig with the measurements you send them, but you might then decide you want the wig to be tighter or you want the wig to be looser. And in this I speak as somebody that makes wigs, because I do receive the same complaints sometimes, and it's absolutely normal. But it's also something that you can do at home on your own, and it's best if you do it on your own, because then you can really measure your head and see kind of which fit you want for it. You can also use this tutorial for if your wig, the elastic band does stretch out after a while. So if you want to replace the elastic band, you can also kind of use this tutorial. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. Do enjoy this video and please like, comment, share, and subscribe at the end, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take. we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away.